Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Y'all know what we do. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to me over the weekend. I want to thank all the people who's joined the membership so far. You know, that's how we always come off the start of the week. First things first. You know, we thank everybody. We appreciate all the support. Keep supporting the channel. We're going to keep growing and we're going to keep learning together. But yeah, we're going to get into this video. But first things first, let me let the detail man get to the shop. Oh, snaps, man. You breaking stuff. You breaking stuff, man. Look, I got it on camera. You look, man, breaking stuff. I'm just playing. Nah, this is the detail man right here, man. You need your car detail, come see him, man. You get your cars all cleaned up. So, and they come pick up your car, so you can't beat it. They come pick up your car, so you can't beat it. Stars right up, like I said. Excuse me, man. Come pick it. The detail shop is right down the street, but it doesn't matter where you're at. They'll come pick it up for you, get you cleaned up, and ready to go. So that makes it. See, that makes my job a lot easier when you have a detail shop like that. They'll just come down here, pick any car up I need to get cleaned. They take it down and bring it back once it's done. And it's quick, simple, as easy as that. But let's get in here and talk a little bit. So let's sit down and talk. So I've been getting a lot of questions. So we're gonna decide to answer some of them for you guys today. So questions that I've been getting asked is, what did I used to do before I got in the car business? What jobs did I work before I got in the car business? So let me tell you, my first job, I was a sign holder. Yes, JJ was a sign holder. I was a sign holder for Little Caesars, man. I literally remember the day I started. It was December 1st, 2009. It was literally not even a month after I turned 16. That's why I was so happy, because I was like, man, I just turned 16 and I got a job not even a month after I turned 16, so I was happy. That was my first job, man. I was out there, guy on the corner, holding the sign, flipping the sign, you know. That was just me. That was me. I was out there, sign holder. I done that. That was my first job, man. My first job actually, like, I done was like selling candy bars for this little like fundraiser and stuff like that. It wasn't for the school, it was for somebody else, but that I don't really count that. But my first official job where I got my first paycheck, I was a sign holder. And then after that, I ended up being a car hop at Sonic, so I was a car hop. I did skate some, but I mainly just walked. And I just liked that job. It was the job that I worked with me and my brothers. It was like working there was probably the best job that I had when I was younger, man. It was just like, you know, especially like being able to work with your brothers and stuff like that. Not the brothers y'all see in my video, my other brothers, like they're step brothers, but you know, we don't use that. We've been knowing each other since forever and ever, so they're my brothers. So then after that, I was working at McDonald's, man. Y'all probably seen by the thumbnail that I used to work at McDonald's, man. You know, I used to be in the you know, on the grill, man. This video is just all about just trying to motivate you, man. It doesn't matter about your situation. You can always change your situation, man. You can always keep going up and up and up and up and up. So let me talk to you guys about the final. Okay, so then after I was working McDonald's, and then let me tell you, man, I'm gonna tell you, when I was working these jobs, man, I felt like, man, like, was it just something about me or something? Because, man, every job I did, I basically, if you could say, the first three, when I did I don't know if the sign holder's I'm not going to consider that starting from the bottom. But when I worked at Sonic, man, I was so upset when I worked there, man, because it was me and my three brothers. And man, they all got to begin out being the car hop. Man, I was in the back making onion rings for like 2 weeks, man. I was the onion ring, man. They was in the front getting tips, man. You know, bringing home money every day. You know, making me like, man, they getting money. I'm back here making onion rings and stuff like that, man. That was then I finally got to come to the front. And then when I was at McDonald's, man, I my I didn't even get started on the grill. I didn't start. My first thing was cleaning the lobby. That's all I did. Like my first 2 weeks at Sonic, I was making onion rings. My first 2 weeks when I was at McDonald's, I was literally just there cleaning the lobby. I'll come in, sweep the lobby, cleaning bathrooms, man. Like I'm cleaning restrooms, cause I had the McDonald's with the play area, so I had to clean the play area, take out trash, man. And then I finally got there, man. I liked the McDonald's job too. That was what I was working my senior year of high school. So like Little Caesar was like my 10th grade year, Sonic was my junior year, and then McDonald's was like part of my senior year. And it was cool because I only had 2 classes as a senior, so I would work, and then I got to make my own. Got in cahoot with the manager. He let me make my own. I got to make my own hours, so I got to work. I got to work Monday through Friday. I only work Monday through Friday. I didn't work weekends unless I wanted some overtime. But I worked Monday through Friday, 1 to 9. That was my schedule. Monday through Friday, 1 to 9 at McDonald's. And then after I started working at McDonald's, I got hired on at Great Plains Coca-Cola to become a merchandiser. So I was like, man, I went from $7.25 to $10 an hour. I'm working less hours, making the same or more money than I was doing, putting all these hours into McDonald's. And so man, I was doing that for a while. So I done that like the end of the senior year, and I did it my first semester. Cause I did go to college for 1 semester. So, but I was working, man, 40, 50 hours a week here at Great Plains Coca-Cola and trying to go to school. And I was like, man, I didn't know what I wanted to do in school, and I didn't have a plan. So I didn't finish. I did good my first semester. I mean, I made A's and B's my first semester. If I would have continued, I know I would have graduated. I mean, because school came naturally easy to me, so I know I would have graduated, but I just didn't finish. So I ended up, just working more instead. So then that was that first semester, and then after that, I moved from Coca-Cola to being a night clerk at 7-Eleven. And that was kind of like a bad decision on my part, man. Like I could have stayed with Coca-Cola. I was making basically about the same amount of money. I was putting in a little bit more hours, but I was making about the same amount of hours. And me, I salute anybody who works overnight. I salute you. You work overnight, I couldn't do it. I got fired from 7-Eleven because I couldn't do it. Like one night, I locked up and stacked some crates, like behind the little counter area. And I just basically went to sleep, man. The police came and woke me up because they had an extra key to the door, so they came and woke me up and asked me was everything all right. I was fine, I was just tired, Those days started really just running together and stuff like that. So, man, it was just crazy. But yeah, it's like all this is just like motivation, man. I just want to try to help and motivate as many people as possible. Just let you know, like doesn't matter about the job. You can just you can keep going up, and you're gonna learn from each job, man. And each of those jobs, really, man, I really appreciate everything from each of those jobs, man. I learned a great deal. So then after I got fired from 7-Eleven. That's when I started working in the car business, and then the rest is that. And I made a video already, like working at car lot car business part 1, and I'll make more videos and put everything is going to really just turn into its own series and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put like how I was working in the car business. That's going to be a series. The life of a car dealer is going to be a series. How to get your dealer's license is going to be a series. It's going to be a series basically for everything. And also another question people ask me, like, do I cuss? Like people be like you seem like so strict. Like I do cuss, but it's just just when I'm around certain people. But I do my best not to try to cuss in any of my videos because my kids do watch my videos and my nieces and nephews watch my videos. So, and then I'm not a person that cuss anyway. I'm really trying to do more reading and try to articulate myself better without having to use so many cussing words. And another question is, what is it? Oh, how old was I? Okay, if you guys like that's probably new. I was 22 when I started my car business. I'm 27 now. So in August of this year, it'll be 5 years that I've been in the business for myself. So I did start when I was 22. My thing was like, hey, I was working for somebody else, making them a lot of money. Why not do the same thing and make myself a lot of money, or make myself money and be able to work on my own time? And man, I don't want this video to drag on. It's already basically a 10-minute long video, but I just wanted to sit down and chat it up with you guys for a little bit, just to let you guys know of the jobs I used to do before, and just a little bit more about me. So, me, like I said, I'm 27. Birthday was in November, as you guys know. What else? I don't know. I'll let that be it for this video. If there's anything additional that you guys want to know about me that I didn't answer, or want anything that I can answer for you guys about me, but yeah, that's just mainly one of the main questions people just ask me. What did I used to do before I got in the car business? People just thought I did whole lot of stuff. No, man. And also, people ask, did I play sports? No, I'm tall, but I didn't play sports. I played sports probably up until like eighth grade. And after that, I was just done with sports. I mean, I wasn't done with sports. I just when I was in, like when I was in school, I kind of like, when you're playing on teams and you feel like you're a good player, but you can see like the coaches are giving out favoritism to certain people. So you just basically just stops your whole motivation for playing sports. So I just didn't focus. I just like gave up on the sports thing. I'd play it for fun, but I wasn't trying to be like a professional or anything. I went and just cracked the books and got into the school work. But once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll be doing a Copart video, probably do a Copart video tomorrow. So if it's a certain area or state that you guys want me to do for Copart, just let me know in the comment section below. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just a little Monday motivation, and also additional motivate. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. If you can find the time out your day to watch your favorite show is about 30 minutes long or so, then why not? You can find 30 minutes in a day to improve your life. So that's all I wanted to leave you guys out on. Appreciate you guys. Peace. I'm out. Bye.